In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your access is restricted. Your account can't access most Google services. If you're encountering the your access is restricted error on your Google account and are unable to access most Google services, here are some steps you can take to resolve the issue. The first thing that you can do is to verify account information. Now, to do this, click on Take Steps and verify your account information using a phone number or a verification code. If this doesn't work, proceed to the next step. Now, the next step that you can do would be contact Google Support. Open another browser and go to the Google Creator Support. Now select your device and language, then click on chat or email. Write down your channel URL and describe the problem to start a chat with the Google Support team. Hopefully, following these steps will help you regain full access to Google services. If you encounter any further issues, consider checking the service status or organizational unit settings in your Google Workspace account. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.